everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. Today's video is totally something different that I've never really come on camera and share with you guys. It's all about literally how I actually wax my face. You guys are thinking, you wax your face? Yes, I do actually wax my face. So I actually started waxing my face about like 2 years ago-ish. I have to cut in right now. So after filming the video, I know I missed out a little information. So 2 years ago, I had to wax my face like every month and then it started to reduce. So now I only actually wax my face 2 to 3 months once. So for my nose extraction, I only do it like 1 month once. When you keep picking on your skin, you're not actually giving your skin time to heal. And when you're actually doing that, you're actually like breaking the layer of your skin. And if you do it every week, that's where you start to get crevices and all that holes on your face. For eyebrow plucking, I do it like probably every 3 weeks once. It's because when you pluck, it takes very slow for it to actually grow back to its full form. But I wanted to like collaborate everything together to show you guys that what I do on my face, how I take care of my skin, the reaction of it, and the main thing was the waxing part. With that said, let's continue with the video. That in no way that I'm literally advising you must do this in order to achieve a beautiful makeup look. No, it's just individual preference. So that's the reason why I want to share this video with you, because it's a very personal video. But if you're not comfortable, just leave it, don't touch it. Just leave it. So with that said, I'm going to go and start off the procedures of how I actually wax my face and keep my face literally flawless. So for me, I like doing this process at night. Once you wax your skin and your pores it's very sensitive. You should always do it and let your face rest at least 7 to 8 hours and then put makeup over it. So the first, I'll go in with this Caudalie Instant Detox Mask, deeply cleanses and minimizes pores. This is the only mask that I use before I do my waxing. It's because we already have facial hair on the skin. So this literally is a detox mask. It pulls out everything that is like buried underneath the pores, because when you have hairs on your face, it is prone for like small bits of makeup to be stuck inside or the surrounding of your hair follicle. That is the reason why you get that bacterial pimple if you do not actually cleanse your face or use the proper product before you wear. And this mask only sets on your face like for 5 minutes and then you're good to go. You wash it off and then I'll go on to waxing. I've used so many products out there. It's either they do not wax the skin properly or it pulls on the skin. And this product that I'm going to talk to you guys about, that I have been using for like over 2 years, and this is the Veet Wax Strips Easy-GelwX technology. So I'll cut the strips in the sizes that I want for my face, because I don't have to do much waxing on my face. But initial stages, trust me, I had to wax my entire face. I mean, I'm an Indian. The facial hair can be a little bit much, guys. From camera, you cannot see that there is hairs on my face, but once I actually like pull the entire strip out, you can see there are like literally long hairs on my skin, but it doesn't seem that on camera. So why I wax my face? Foundation doesn't stick to hairs at all, guys. Your foundation like splits and slides all over the place. It transfers and then suddenly your face starts to get patchy. It's because of hair. So I only wax this area of my face, right at my chin, and just a tad bit around my eyebrows, and that is it. Now your face is actually very sensitive, prone to bacteria on your skin. There's so many of your pores that's literally open. So I like to go in with the Johnson Baby Oil, Aloe Vera and Vitamin E oil. This oil actually helps to like close the pores, take out whatever bacteria, and at the same time it actually gives me the healing process to repair my skin from all those waxing things. I will go ahead and wash my face with the fresh soya face cleanser. This removes all the leftover oil on my face. Just give me a very perfect base treatment. So after that, I'll go ahead and pluck my brows. First, I'll use a spoolie. I'll brush my brows upwards to see whether there's any hair like literally like sticking above my eyebrow line. I'll cut that off. I'll go in and do my plucking, and then I'll start from the bottom all the way to up and actually like shape my eyebrows. Why I do my eyebrows by myself? Because I've went to so many beauty parlors and they always screw up my eyebrow. Is either too thin or too thick, and it just doesn't complement my face at all. So I do it by myself, because eyebrows is what defines your face. You get the wrong eyebrow, your face is just messed up. After that, I'll go in and do extraction. The nose extraction thing, a bit disgusting. You can actually like skip it. The pimple extraction tool, I'll take out whatever whitehead. I have a lot of oil production on my face that causes whitehead. In for my nose all the way here, and on my chin area. That's where I will use this extraction tool. After that, you can see like my face is like literally swollen after all that extraction, and I'll go ahead and wash my face again with the fresh soya face cleanser. When you're doing your own waxing and treatment on your face, you're gonna use one certain facial wash. You cannot be changing around. I know it's a lot, but this is how I actually treat my face because I love my face a lot and I don't want any issues on my face. Once I've extracted and washed my face, I'll go in with the Biore Pore Pack, and this effectively removes blackhead with pore tightening formula. I like using this after I extract my nose because it has pore tightening formula. So I use that on my nose and my chin. The rest of my face, I'll go in with the Fresh Rose face mask, and this is a hydrating face mask because we have done so much to our skin. We have waxed our skin, we have extracted, and so we have actually lost all the hydration and moisture on our skin. So I want to replenish that back to my skin. The removal process, I'll go ahead and take out the Pore Pack, wipe down my entire face. So I'll go in with the Fresh Deep Hydration Facial Toner. We want to keep putting back the moisture to our skin. And then I'll go in with the Oxy 5 Acne Pimple Medication, and this has 5% benzoyl peroxide. This is to actually kill bacteria and dry up excess oil and to unclog pores. I don't want to put a serum on my face and then like push the bacteria into my skin. I want to kill it first and then put the serum on my skin. And then I'll go in with the Skin Ink My Daily Dose. This product actually has collagen in it. So collagen is something that actually helps to repair your skin if you have any like damage or wrinkles, and it also stops premature aging and also gives your skin the support, elasticity that it needs so that your skin looks fresh and young. Has vitamin C and E, which helps to repair your skin as well and improve wrinkles and rejuvenate your skin. And it also has hyaluronic acid, which also gives your skin moisture. So this is like all you need in a bottle. The last, I'll just go ahead and moisture my lips because we went ahead and we actually waxed on our upper lips. The surrounding may be a little bit dry, so I'll go in with a lip balm. You can go in with any preference. Mine is Philosophy Kiss Me Goodnight lip balm. This has never failed me. Your lips don't peel when you use this lip balm. It doesn't peel at all, guys. I've laid everything down. It is not a necessity if you do not do it, but if you do, I really hope this video actually helps you guys. Beauty parlors, they actually do not take the extra step to take out the bacteria, wax, and close the pores. They just, okay, you want to wax? Wax, okay. Bye. I've gone, I've experienced it, so that's the reason why I do not go to them anymore, because I have a very close friend, and she gets very frustrated when every time she goes to get her threading on, she comes back with like her face inflamed everywhere, bacteria, pimples. I mean, you want to go and get your face waxed and thread because you want to look good, but then you get bacteria, pimples on your face. I'm very sensitive and very particular of what I put on my face. But if you're willing to put in the work, if you like waxing your face or threading your face, then this video will help you guys. Basically, we are done with the process. I'm also going to show you guys how it looks the next day. So I want to prove to you guys, I've done all these procedures. Slept, I've woke up, how my skin is, whether there's any bacteria, pimples, if my skin inflamed, how my skin actually looks like, which is today. You can see my skin is not inflamed. It's actually looking extremely flawless, but I have like that one stupid scar that I have on my face, and that scar is like a long story because I keep picking and picking. It became like a scar, but eventually it will go away, it will dry up and go away. This is my evidence, and I went ahead and put my makeup on, and this is literally how I am after putting my makeup on, going to work and coming back home. You can see from my face, you don't see my skin inflamed at all. You don't see all that bacteria pimple. So I know it's a pain in the butt. So I really hope that this video helps you guys. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.